In this segment, we're going to cover how you use the primary navigation in your intranet. The primary navigation is this series of links or buttons across the top of the site underneath what is called the banner bar. Each of these buttons in the primary navigation can be thought of to represent categories of sites inside the intranet. For our LSG cookies example, we have created a very typical corporate representation. When we mouse over the Department chapter header site, we see the departments below it: accounting, human resources, marketing, and so on. Next, we have business processes, which includes a site for accounts payable and one for accounts receivable. After that, we have a reference chapter, which for LSG cookies includes a corporate history site and a site about the process of manufacturing LSG's cookies. Another common category for sites in an intranet is projects. In this chapter, we can see that there's a project management site for a new acquisition and another for a new factory they're building. SharePoint's collaboration capabilities make it a very valuable tool for project management. Last on the primary navigation, we see a link to the training site, which contains the series of training and reference videos that can teach you how to use the intranet. Using the primary navigation to reach an individual site is easy. You simply mouse over the chapter header site, move on to the site you want, click on it, and that will deliver you to the site. Getting back is just as easy. All you need to do is hit the back button on the browser, or click on the first link to the left in the primary navigation, which will take you to the very top of the intranet. The primary navigation makes it easy to move from site to site in the intranet with a single click. For instance, we can visit the reference site about the cookie manufacturing process with a single click, and from there we can go back to the accounting site with a single click. The primary navigation has other features to make navigating the intranet fast and easy. For one thing, it's security sensitive, which means it will only show you links to sites you have permission to visit. For another, it's dynamic, so as sites are added, deleted, or moved, it automatically updates, adding or removing links to those sites. Now let's use the first link on the primary navigation to return to the top of the intranet itself. And that's all there is to using the primary navigation system in your intranet.